Hi, good morning, beautiful people. How's everyone doing here? It's been 2 weeks. We never had this crypto talk session ready. My apologies for that. A lot of things has been happening lately, and here I am back again to be giving you this session, talking about a risk and reward management. Now, this is, I think, it's one of the topic that a lot of crypto trading session that they never really talks about, but I would like to talk about this particular topic today. And today's topic is going to be very, very short, as I believe that I'm just going to give you tips how do you manage your risk and reward. But the most important thing here is that there will be a very interesting announcement at the end of the session, and I bet you are going to love this. So please stay to the until the end of the session to listen to this very interesting announcement at the end of this session. Okay, so it's going to be very, very short. Now, often a lot of times there are some of the students asking me that, hey, Sifu, you know what? How much should I invest in my cryptocurrency investment in general? All right. And also, how much should I put into the trading part in order for me to gain massively in my crypto trading? All right. Now, it's pretty simple. Let's say if you have a fund of $1,000. Okay, this just take it for example, right? Now, in that $1,000, I would strongly recommend that if you are investing it. Okay, so now there's two types of tradings are not literally two types, they're actually more than that. Now, if I'm referring to a Bybit, okay, basically you are going to have this spot trading and also derivatives trading and also a few more other types such as like a NFT and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to refer to, let's say, spot trading and derivatives trading. Okay, if let's say you have like a $1,000 to invest in cryptocurrency, I would strongly recommend that you put at least 20% into your derivatives trading and 80% into your spot trading. So this is what we call it as the 80-20 rules. All right, 80% go to spot where you don't need to monitor them, just let them appreciate through time, and 20% of them you use it into your derivatives trading. But however, guys, especially in this bear market right now, I will not really recommend you to put into spot as yet. Okay, so why is that so, and when is going to be the best time for me to put into spot? Okay, I have some funds, but you say that, hey, you know what, now is in the bear market, don't put into spot. But I do understand that some of the coaches out there ask you to do dollar average down. By the more you go down, just do some a limit purchase, a limit buy, so that you can buy it at a lower price, and when it appreciates, then you're going to gain it. Okay, it makes sense in that way, but for me personally, I will not do that because I know that the price is not really stabilized yet, and it will go down furthermore. So if let's say I'm going to buy it now, let's say the price is at for instance like 18,000, just for example, I bought it at 18,000, so the price might actually go down to like 17,000 or 16 or 15 or even much more lower than that, and the money or the funds that I use it to purchase in spot trading, then I'm going to bleed in silence. Okay, might as well I took the chance in this particular range right here to put it into derivatives trading, and I can gain. You get what I mean? So that's the idea of how you are going to diversify it into a different portfolio when you come to crypto investment. Now, take it for example that spot trading, it is basically like how do you invest? It's not really for you to make up active money from that, such as derivatives trading or future tradings. Because like spot trading is basically just like you are investing into a property, you are buying a property. Okay. Say that you bought a property for $1 million today. Okay, you won't go and ask the agent, hey, you know what, what's the value of my property tomorrow? Okay, well, maybe on the next day or maybe next week. You don't ask them every day, right? Have my value being appreciated on the next day? What is the value of my property today? I bought it yesterday from you, you know, so you don't check it every day, right? So that is what spot trading is all about. Spot trading is all about long-term investment. All right. Now, when you come to derivatives trading, it is all about active trading, where you need to pay some attention to the chart, to the changes, so that you can benefit in both directions, whether it is going up or is going down. That will actually kind of like give you an idea whether you should long or even short in order for you to benefit from the movement. So the more it moves, the more volatile the movement is, the more we are going to gain. So I do understand that some of you have been saying that, you know what, a crypto movement has been like very, very volatile. So it's very difficult to predict, and it's very difficult for us to trade because I might lose my money in the blink of an eye. Yes, I do agree with that. But however, it is from the volatility that we're able to make money from derivatives trading. Now, please don't forget that. Okay. Now, when you come to how much proportions of funds should I place into my crypto investment, it's always like if the market is on a bull run. Okay, so please remember the market is on the bull run. You can place like 80-20, 80% on spot trading and 20% into derivative trading. Okay, so that's going to be the proportion. However, if it's now we are in the bear market, please do not put in the spot as yet first. Now, I don't say that you don't put it at all, but don't put it yet until you saw there are some indications of a bullish trend. Then only you place it in the spot while you trade in the derivatives. Okay, so please take note, yeah. Don't put it in the spot when it is on the bear market unless you saw there's a sign of a bullish run is going to happen. Then only you place it in the spot, because that time the price is still considered as low, so that you can gain the amount of appreciations after that. Got it? Okay, cool. Thank you very much for those who are watching right now. So I appreciate that if you can just if you're watching this on YouTube, we are streaming it live on 3 channels on YouTube, our Facebook group, and our Facebook page. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel, please like this video, and also please subscribe to the channel as well, so that you doesn't miss any important announcement or information. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next thing. Okay, apart from, so about this 80-20 rules, I believe that you guys understand what I'm trying to say, that if you have a fund of $1,000, place 80% onto the spot trading and 20% into your derivatives trading. If it is on a bull market, so in bear market, don't put into the spot as yet. First, wait for the indication of the bull run, then only you place into the spot. Got it, guys? Okay, so I'm going to go to the next topic, and there is this very interesting thing called term that called Sai Lang. Okay, Sai Lang, it is basically a Cantonese term. Okay, you will heard this term very frequently if you go to any of the casinos in Hong Kong. All right, if you went to any of the casinos and if you played blackjack particularly, okay, they are going to use this a term called Sai Lang. I want to Sai Lang. So basically, what is this Sai Lang thing here? Now, I would like, for those of you who understand this term Sai Lang, I would like you to remove this term in your head. All right, remove this term in your head. I do not want you to have this mentality of Sai Lang. Now, let me just explain what is this term called Sai Lang. Okay, Sai Lang is basically, if you play blackjack, for those who are playing blackjack, you should understand that you have like the several numbers of cards that you need to take. So each of the cards, you are going to place your bets, right? Now, there will be a certain cards that you feel like super confident that you're going to win that game. And you kind of like, we call it show hands, right? You wanted to bet everything on the table into that card. You get what I mean? So that is why we call it Sai Lang. I want to bet everything that I have on the table right now because I'm very confident that I'm going to win. So this is the time. Like this is the term, or these are the things that I would like you to try to remove your head when it comes to crypto trading. Okay, you should not have this Sai Lang mentality in our head when you trade cryptocurrency. Okay, so there, I do understand that sometimes there will be this hesitation that I'm very confident that this particular trade is going to make me big bucks. Okay, I wanted to increase the lot. I wanted to increase the size of the trade because I thought that I've been putting too little. okay, when I already saw the gain. And please don't do that, okay? Because in most of the cases, when you saw a trade is performing and you think that it's going to go very far and it's going to give you the best amount of massive profits right there, the moment when you try to increase the size of that trade, I can tell you that it will go down. Okay, so please don't do that, and please don't silang. Okay, remove this term in your head when you come to cryptocurrency trading. Okay, now the best advice that I can give right here when you come to trading, especially those frequent traders, day traders that you always trade, it is trading as something like it's a marathon. You don't stop, because when the moment when you stop, you gain nothing. It's like practically zero, right? You're not doing any activities from that, so practically it's zero. So training is something like a marathon. So in a marathon, you don't use all your energy in the first 100 meters for you to sprint, right? So you're going to gradually increase the amount of speeds, the level of speeds, so that you can preserve your energy. So same goes to trading. The experience that you get in trading, it's accumulative. It is not like today I have a lot of funds, I want to silang everything into my trade so that I can gain massively. So that is a very, very wrong mentality, guys. So please try to avoid that at all costs. Okay, so please don't silang. All right, so I can see that some of us has been into the chat. Thank you very much for those who are dropping by. Yes, when I speak about Silang, Jinjing has been saying that all in. Yes, please do not put everything all in. Okay, so some of us has been saying that Silang, Hood Gao Yi. I think I know who you are. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Please don't do that, guys. Okay. So, and some say that most scary when exchange doing the evil long week stuff trying to liquidate it. Yes, yes, exactly. So that's why I said, please do not silang. Okay. So don't place everything, because some of the exchange are really wicked that they go they give this all this like very long week just to liquidate your trade. And especially in I'm not trying to point fingers right here. I would say that this case of that long wait most likely to happen in Binance. So for those of you who are trading in Binance, be very, very careful. So that is also why I prefer to trade on Bybit. Okay. So for those of you who do not have a Bybit account yet, or who haven't tried to trade on Bybit, you can probably consider Bybit for a change. Okay. So for those of you who haven't have any Bybit account, so please register for your free Bybit account. And for those who have already have Bybit account, you can also create another Bybit account using my link. Now, why my link? Because when you register your Bybit account and trade using my link, it is going to be useful when it comes to our monthly trading competition. You can only participate if your Bybit account registered under my link. Okay, so that I can keep track who are the winners are, so that I can reward you guys from that. Okay, and of course, yes, there's some of the comments that I can see right here. So for those of you who are watching from YouTube, please take the chance to like this video if you like it, and also to subscribe to this channel so that you doesn't miss any important announcement. Okay, so now come to the very interesting announcement, guys. Okay, right after this, I need to make a travel to all the way to Klang for my Wing Chun preview session. And for those who doesn't know that, yes, I do teach martial art at the very same time. I teach Wing Chun, Kung Fu, and also YSG. Okay, so we can keep that as a separate discussion. If you would like to know more, just send me a PM, then we can have a chat on that. What is this Wing Chun and YSG classes that I've been conducting at the very same time? Okay, now come to the very, very interesting announcement. Okay, so before I go to that announcement, I would like to ask, for those who are watching right here, anyone interested to know how you can learn to trade for free? Okay, so drop in the comment section, would you like to learn trading for free? Okay, so drop in the comment section for those who are watching this right now. Would you like to learn trading crypto for free. Okay, yes, if you can just type yes in the comment section, no, just type no, I'm not interested at all. I already know how to trade. So let me know in the comment section right now, if any of you who are watching this right now, would you like to learn to trade crypto for free? Okay, cool. Right. What is this? Woohoo! Okay. Yes, I'm a small beginner trader. Okay, that's cool, Jing Jing. Thank you so much. Right. Thank you so much for all the comments right here. Okay, so for those who are watching right now, yes, I guess not many of us right here in this very early morning. No worry about that. Okay. For those who are watching this on a replay, would you like to learn trading for free? Okay, now the good news is, okay, uh, I've been having this comment and also request. And they say, Sifu, your meta trading strategy course is interesting. And I can see some of the students have been massively profiting from their trades, But however, the cost is going to be a little bit too, a little bit on the high side, okay? A little bit on the high side for me to enroll into your course. But at the very same time, I would like to learn. Okay, hey, good morning. Hey, good morning. Hi, good morning. I am new in trade where I can start. I'm so sorry, I don't have my Facebook right now. I cannot see your name. Yes, you can start trading. Okay, even though you are new. Okay, now this is the good news that I'm going to announce right now. Next month, okay, next month, take note, yeah, guys. Next month, even for those who are watching this on a replay, next month in the first week of October, I will organize or I will give a free session for trading, okay, where I'm going to teach you to trade for free. Now, who is going to be beneficial for this on this particular free trading sessions? It is very suitable for those who just started trading, or you haven't started trading at all, but you would like to give it a try. Okay, it is very suitable for you guys, or even for those who already started trading, but you are still losing money. Okay, and you would like to know a little bit better on some of the tips and tricks on how you can manage your risk better so you can gain massively in the crypto trading market. Okay, so this session is going to be absolutely free. Depending on the numbers of crowds, it will range from like 1.5 hours to about like 2 hours maximum. Depends on the numbers of a crowd that I mentioned. Okay, so this session is going to be for free. It is treated as an offer for me personally, as a personal offer to help you guys out so that at least you know where to start. Okay, you don't need to enroll in the meta trading strategy course right yet, because that course is particularly for those experienced trader who already been trading, and those strategies, those 13 different strategies, is going to benefit them a lot when you come to market volatility and what are the strategies to apply when the market changes. That is for those experienced traders. But for those new traders who would like to give it a try and would like to know a little bit more about how you can trade safely and profitably in the crypto trading market, this is going to be the session for you. Okay, so you might also ask that, so what's the catch here, Sifu? Since it's free, I can guarantee you there is no catch. It is absolutely free. Okay, I'm going to teach you to start for free. And what I will teach in that particular session, because it's going to be a very compactful session, it is going to be a very hands-on session. So you are going to attend the live Zoom session with a laptop, because we are going to do it together in the session where I'll be guiding you on a step-by-step basis. I'll be holding your hand to do it together with me on how and where you should start trading. So those things are things that I would include in the session will include like how do you read your chart, how do you understand some of the indicators right there, and also how you're going to place a trade, how do you manage your trade, how do you manage your risk, how do you, where you should cut loss, where should stop loss, where should you take a profit, and all those things right there for a beginner. For those who haven't tried trading, and all these things right here will be very, very super beneficial for you. Okay, so where to start and how to start, I will, after this video, I will place a link for you to register your interest, where you just need to place your name and also your email, because at the very end of the, not very end, when the date is nearer before the session takes place, I will send you a Zoom link for you to access to the Zoom session. So you need to access to this session with a laptop. Don't attend it on a phone because you can't do much. This is going to be a very hands-on session offered by me for free, free, free of charge. Okay, so there's no charge at all, there's no catch at all. This is for me to just help you, to give you a general idea, to kind of like prep you for you to enroll to the meta trading strategy course at a later stage. Okay, not now, but at a later stage, because as I mentioned, meta trading strategy course, it is basically for those experienced trader who would like to have an idea of how do you apply different sets of strategies in your trading, so that you can move along to the volatility of the market when you change strategy when the market changes. All right, so yes, that is going to be the very interesting announcement that I would like to make. I hope you guys like it. Okay, so what is going to happen next is that after this live session, I will place a link in the comment section on Facebook. The first comment section on Facebook, it will be your registration link to this free trading session, which is going to take place at the very first week of next month in October, guys. All right, so please register it before the date come. I haven't finalized when exactly is going to be the date. Please keep yourself updated in the Facebook group and also the chat, which we have just formed a few days ago. All right, I will announce it in the Facebook group and also the chat in our Facebook, the Crypto Lab Facebook group. Okay, so I will announce on the dates when it's going to be the exact date. But what is going to happen right now on YouTube channel, for those of you who are watching this on our YouTube channel right now, the registration form is going to be available in the pin up comment section. While for those of you who are watching this on the Facebook page or in the Facebook group, I'm going to put it in the very first comment section, where you can register your interest for this free trading class. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like it. So for those who are watching this, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube, so that you doesn't miss any important announcement. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this together with me. For those who are watching this on the replays, please help me to type on hashtag replay in the comment section, so at least I know that who has gone through this video. Okay, a very good morning, have a great weekend ahead, and I'm going to see you on the next weekend. Thank you very much. Bye bye.